In this video, I'm going to show you how to add NinjaTrader to TradingView. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to TradingView.com and you want to sign into your account. And after this, hover over Products and click on Super Charts. So after you do this on here, it's going to take you to their super chart, and you want to click down here at the bottom left where it says Trading Panel. And here you want to make this a bit bigger like that. There we go. And after you're done with that, you can go ahead and click on Show All Brokers. Scroll down and somewhere you should find NinjaTrader. For me, it's over here. For you, it may be a bit different. So if you can't find it, press Ctrl and F on your keyboard, search for Ninja, and it's going to pop up like this. And then just click on it. And then here you have to select if you want to connect a live or demo account. And then after you select that, you want to put in your NinjaTrader username and your password as well. And then press connect. And just like this, you've successfully added NinjaTrader to TradingView. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.